Hello 12th class students, welcome to our mathematics class. Students, in our previous video we have discussed first 4 sum of exercise 8.7 differentials and approximations. Now we'll continue with our fifth sum. Here in the fifth sum second part we are asked if the radius of a sphere, if a radius of a sphere is decreased from 10 centimeter to 9.8 centimeter, then find the approximate change in its surface area and volume. Students, all of you know that the surface area of a sphere with radius r is pi r, 4 pi r square. Now we'll differentiate this with respect to r. We'll get ds by dr equals to 8 pi r. Now we are given that this radius is decreasing from 10 centimeter to 9.8 centimeter. So let us take this change. Let us we can take this r plus del r and this be r. So we are having r 10 and del r will be equals to 9.8. ये जो होता है हम r plus del r में से r माइनस करेंगे तब हमारे पास किसकी वैल्यू आएगी del r की. In this way we get 9.8 minus 10 equals to minus 0.2 centimeter. माइनस नेगेटिव साइंस रिप्रेजेंट देयर इज अ डिक्रीज इन द वैल्यू. ओके, जो आपकी वैल्यू चेंज आ रहा है वो नेगेटिव अगर है दैट मीन्स आवर वैल्यू इज डिक्रीजिंग. ओके, नाउ लेट अस टेक इन द सिमिलर वे जैसे हमने पिछले सम्स में किया है डी आर. लेट अस टेक डी आर इक्वल्स टू डेल आर दैट इज माइनस 0.2. नाउ अप्रोक्स चेंज इन द सरफेस एरिया. सरफेस एरिया इज 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर. ठीक है, ds will be ds by dr into dr. Derivative ds by dr is 8 pi r. So we can put here d in place of ds by dr 8 pi r. And we have taken dr equals to del r, that is minus root 0.2. And value of r is 10. So we'll put all the values of r and del r here. We get 8 pi into 10 into minus 0.2. In this way we get change in surface area is minus 16 pi. Minus means the surface area is decreasing by 16 pi. Okay. Now we are to also find the change in volume. So first of all let us represent the volume of the sphere B, capital V. That means capital V equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now we'll again differentiate this volume with respect to r. We get dv by dr equals to 4 pi r. R यहाँ पे आएगा 3r square. Derivative of r cube is 3r square. 3 to 3 get cancelled. We get 4 pi r square. Now approx change in volume equals to dv equals to dv by dr into dr. dv by dr is 4 pi r square and dr is del r. So we get 4 pi r square del r. Now r is 10, del r is minus 0.2. In this way we get change in volume minus 80 pi. Here again minus means there is a decrease in the volume and decrease is how much? 80 pi. Now in the seventh sum we are to find the approximate change in the volume V of a cube of side x centimeter caused by increasing the side by 1%. Okay, that means we are given the side of the cube is x and volume V. Okay, and we there is a change of 1% in the side, then we are to find the approximate change in the volume corresponding to the change in this side. So let us represent this change in side by del x and change in volume, corresponding change in volume by del v. Now we are given del x is 1% of the side, that is 1% of x. 1% will be 1 by 100 into x, that is 0.01 x. This is del x. Now let v be the volume of the cube, then obviously volume of the cube is side cube, that is x cube. Now we can differentiate this with respect to x. dv by dx will be equals to differentiation of x cube is 3x square. Now approximate change in the volume will be equals to dv, differential of volume. So dV will be equals to derivative of this volume multiplied by the differential of the side. Okay, so the derivative dV by dx is 3x square and dx del x is 0.01 x. So their multiplication equals to 0.03 x cube. So this is the approximate change in the volume. Now in the 9th sum we are given the radius of a sphere is measured as 4 cm with a possible error of 0.01 cm. What is the relative error and percentage error in computing the volume? So students, let us take R be the radius and del R be the error in measuring the radius. This implies we are given radius is 4 and error is 0.01. That means R is 4 cm and del R is 0.1 cm. Now let us take V be the volume of the sphere. Then obviously volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi R cube. Okay, तो यहाँ से हम वॉल्यूम जो है एक्चुअल वॉल्यूम निकाल सकते हैं. रेडियस क्या है आपकी 4. सो विल पुट हियर 4 एंड इन दिस वे वी गेट वॉल्यूम ऑफ द स्फीयर इज 256 upon 3 pi centimeter cube. Now we can find the differential of V. That is what will be the approximate error in volume. ओके, मेजरिंग के टाइम पे वॉल्यूम में कितनी आपकी एरर आई, तो वो उसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, डिफरेंशियल का यूज करना है. तो हम डेरिवेटिव फाइंड करेंगे वॉल्यूम का विद रिस्पेक्ट टू आर. सो आर क्यूब का डेरिवेटिव 3r² हो जाएगा. विल पुट हियर 3r² in place of r cube. We get 4 by 3 into 3 pi r², 4 pi r². This is our derivative of volume with respect to r. Now let us take the differential of r equals to del r, possible error, approximate error, equals to 0.01. Now approximate error in volume will be differential of volume dV, and that is approximately equals to the change in volume, that is here in this case error in the volume. So this will be always equals to dV by dr into dr, and this is the derivative, and we have found it to be equals to 4 pi r², and del r is 0.01. We'll put here the value of both, and in this way we get the approximate error in the volume is 0.64 pi centimeter cube. Now relative error इज इक्वल्स टू द डिफरेंशियल अपॉन द, मतलब जो आपकी एरर है अप्रोक्सीमेट एरर अपॉन में एक्चुअल वैल्यू. ओके, dV बाय V, दिस इज द रिलेटिव एरर इन V. सो विल पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ dV 0.64 पाई एंड वैल्यू ऑफ V इज 256 पाई अपॉन 3 हेयर. तो ये रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. वी गेट हेयर 3 अपॉन 256 पाई. यहाँ से सॉल्व करने के बाद वी गेट टू 0.0075. दिस इज द रिलेटिव एरर इन V. ओके, नाउ वी आर ऑल्सो टू फाइंड द परसेंटेज एरर. परसेंटेज एरर इज द dV by V into 100. dV by V is the relative error, and we have found it to be 0.0075. We'll put here the value of dV by V multiply by 100. So our decimal will shift 2 places to the right. In this way we get 0.7%. This is the percentage error in the volume. Now here in the 12th sum we are given find the approximate value of cot inverse 1.004. Here you can see that we are having 1.004. So function is y equals to cot inverse x. Here we can take x equals to 1 and del x plus del x 1.004. So obviously del x will be equals to 1.004 minus 1 equals to 0.004. Now we can find out the derivative. Here y equals to cot inverse x. We will find the derivative. Derivative of cot inverse x is minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Okay. Now del y is equals to, all of you know that del y is f of x plus del x minus f of x. This is the corresponding change in y with respect to the change in x. Okay. So if there is a change in del x in x, then there is a change in del y in y. We have discussed it already, that del y equals to f of x plus del x minus f of x. So we'll put here x प्लस डेल एक्स 1.004 एंड एफ ऑफ एक्स इज एक्स की वैल्यू हमने क्या रखी है 1. ठीक है. नाउ कोट इनवर्स 1 इज कोट पाई बाय 4. So cot inverse cot pi by 4, cot inverse cot theta is theta, so obviously this will be equals to pi by 4. So here we, in place of cot inverse 1 we have substituted pi by 4. Now we can transpose pi by 4 to the left hand side. In this way we get cot inverse 1.004 equals to pi by 4 plus del y. Now this del y is approximately equals to the dy, है ना. dy जो डिफरेंशियल वैल्यू है y की वो अप्रोक्सीमेटली इक्वल्स टू है del y. So we can find the dy by using our differential. Dy always equals to dy by dx into dx, and dx is approximately equals to del x. Okay. So and we have found that derivative of y is minus 1 upon 1 plus x square, and del x is 0.004. We'll put here the values, and value of x we have taken equals to 1. So we'll put all the values. We get minus 1 upon 1 plus 1 square into 0.004. In this way we get minus 1 by 2 into 0.002. That means del y approximately equals to minus 0.002. Now from 1, here we will put the value of del y. In this way we get cot inverse 1.004 equals to pi by 4 minus 0.002. Now value of pi is 22 upon 7, and we can find the value of 22 upon 28. We get 0.7857 minus 0.02. We get the value of cot inverse 1.004 equals to 0.7837. Here our exercise finishes. I hope you understood all the sum. So today your homework is to solve sums 5 to 12. 5th to 12th sum of exercise 8.7 in fair notebook. If still any problem left, you can ask in your problem session, or you can come to the school for your doubt classes. Thank you. Have a nice day. Be safe.